Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust fillable text boxes height and width. And see this fillable text box is different size and this one also, and I'll fix the height and width. Now select from option, and here you will find a select option. Click download and select annotation, and I'll fix this two of this height. Drag your mouse cursor, select, and click right button, mouse cursor and select properties dialog box, properties, and here you will find the size option and this height. As this height now fixes, and also I'll fix this two of this white, so and size and so on. As this white also fixes, and I'll fix this align, vertical align, and see this two of this alignment, so I'll fixes align horizontally, and see this. In this way you can fix this height and width and fillable text boxes. And finally select this file option, save or save as and fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.